Hey, this is Christopher Covert, licensed associate real estate broker with Saunders and Associates in Bridgehampton with this week's look at the Hamptons real estate market. Quickly, 19 deals over the past week have gone into contract. A couple significant numbers here up in Shelter Island. Oak Tree Lane, last listed $6,500,000. That's in contract, and that's a pretty big number for Shelter Island. Additionally, another one, Howard Street, in contract in Sag Harbor in the Village at $5 million. Another deal here between 3 and 5. The rest of them all under $2 million. So that lower end of the market keeps on moving. And we do have still some big deals that are pending out there that I had mentioned last week. I know that they're still in talks on deals that have closed. There was just in 10 Lee Avenue in East Hampton. That closed. Sold price $14,750,000. That had originally listed at $19 million. So a significant reduction there. Also, 180 Springy Banks up in Northwest. Now that closed just a couple of weeks ago, but getting this number in, closed at $9,440,000. This had originally listed in 2016 at $20 million. It's an 8-acre waterfront piece. Significant reduction. The trend is continuing. Up on Noyac Bay Avenue in Sag Harbor, deal just closed, $8,500,000. That was down from 14% off the last ask. That's a significant number. That's probably the second highest trade in non-incorporated Sag Harbor in recent memory. So we're seeing that high end of the market still moving. Some other stuff there. What we're really seeing happening, though, is the rental market is on fire right now. The question is, are the majority of our buyers sitting tight? There was this interesting article in the New York Times yesterday about the stock market rally. It's corporate buybacks. The investors are sitting on their hands. Maybe the same's happening here. What I can tell you is that right now, 2019, this is what quarter one looks like. Right now, this is what I would say. It's a great time to buy. I would encourage people to do it. Sellers are ready. Prices are adjusting. Another thing I want to just touch on real quickly on a bigger macro look at the real estate industry. We're seeing, again, another one of these tech giants. Tech. We've heard it for years now. They're going to revolutionize real estate. These companies are getting hundreds of millions of VC dollars in to create these new technologies. Yet over and over, first Purplebrick, Redfin, now Zillow reporting record losses. They're reshuffling management, and quite honestly, they're shape-shifting in what these companies are. All that's telling me, brokers are still key. And when you're out here in the Hamptons, there are so many variables that you gotta use a good broker to get through some of this. And when you're talking about acquiring the kind of assets that we're offering. So next week, we're going to look at some interesting things in the advertising world, and we're really talking about some landmark conversions on how companies are reaching the customer, but we'll get into that next week. So that's it for this week. Thanks. Have a great week. We'll see you soon.